The poachers clear up pathways through the plants. They put special carpets along the floor. As you can see, there is a tiny amount of gravel which is used by the poachers to throw little stones on the trees. That's causing the birds to get frightened.
These are the poles that are used to support the nets. You now are seeing the net. The birds are flying, they are trapped, and the poachers, they are going afterwards. They kill it, they clean them, they remove their feathers, and then they sell them by dozen. Each dozen in the market last year was about 80 euros.